Hi, I'm Noah Tepperman. On behalf of the Tepperman family, I'm inviting you to join me in recognizing and honoring our frontline heroes. Our frontline heroes are grocery store and postal workers. They're first responders, truck drivers, personal support workers, nurses, doctors, cleaning staff. They're the people going to work every day and putting their own health on the line for the well-being of the rest of us so that we can stay home and help flatten the curve. Help us honor a hero in your hometown. Go to teppermans.com/heroes to nominate a hero in your community. We're giving away 6 $500 Teppermans gift cards, one in each of our Teppermans communities. Nominations are open until Friday, May 1st, and we will randomly draw 6 winners on Monday, May the 4th. To all of the frontline heroes, from all of us here at Teppermans, thank you.